What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a product that's been highly requested by a lot of people. I've taken my time with getting it though because I didn't really care for the colors at the time, and to me I wasn't sure if it looked slim enough. But I'm talking about the Everyday Pants, the 2.0s. They just came out with a sage color. I'll show you that right here on the screen. They are actually a lot nicer than I thought they would be, so I'm really excited to share them with you guys. And then I also have these three different like tie-dye shirts. I wanted to show these because I don't think anyone has shown this on YouTube yet. So they're a lot different than like the regular t-shirts, so I figured I would show you them as well. But of course, I'll be trying them all on, giving my thoughts, and then rating them at the end. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, here they are. So we'll take a look up close, but how amazing is this color? I knew right off the bat I was ordering these, even if they didn't fit me well. I was going to try them just because of how nice this color is. You know, it's common for companies to have green, but they typically have like an olive or like a dark pine, like army green. This right here, super unique, and it's probably my favorite color. Like, I just love sage. I think it looks so nice. But we'll kind of just start at the top here. This button right here is metal. It looks like it's plastic, but it's metal, trust me. Here we have a nice zipper. Okay, all the stitching is very, very like on point and perfect. Looks like Lululemon almost. I really shouldn't be surprised at this point just because everything built that I get, premium quality every single time, but I'm always surprised no matter what. So the material, I guess I thought the material would be maybe a little thinner. It's like kind of has, I don't know, I would say like mid-weight, which is good. Like I would prefer it to be like a little thicker. It feels like, kind of feels like dress pants a little bit. It's not as techy, like cool to the touch as I would have imagined as well. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I wanted to bring in my commuter pants from Rhone just to show you kind of what I mean. Like this one is more like sheer and like makes that noise. This one's like more just like regular fabric feeling, not as cool to the touch as this one is. So that's what I was meaning by the dress pant comment. You have the two back pockets, and then on the side here there is a zipper pocket. I'll show you that when I try them on. And then we have the BYLT logo, nice and like monochrome, so you don't really notice it. Go down to the bottom of the pant. So these are not joggers, these are just like regular pants, tech pants. Very, very stretchy. But one thing I was worried about with these was the leg hole opening. I'll show some videos of like the models wearing them, and to me, that looked like a little bit too loose for my liking, so that's honestly what held me off for so long. But I am pleasantly surprised with the way these fit me. Let me know what you guys think. So I will try them on now. Okay, now for the bonus review. These are called the Cloud Dyed Drop Cuts, I believe. And I just wanted to give my thoughts on these real quick and try them on for you. But they're made of 100% cotton, so they feel a lot different than both the BYLT Blend and the Luxe. They are a lot more stiff, no stretch really at all. They kind of soften up as you wash them a little bit, but they are still pretty stiff even after that. And you really notice it when you like put it over your head. It doesn't, there's like no stretch in the collar at all. So, oh, another thing I want to say, and I don't even think I've ever told you guys this because I haven't really made a BYLT t-shirt video in a while. I love the colors from BYLT, but one thing I don't like is that the armholes are just like a little bit loose on me. So I actually bring these to, okay, I blanked out there for a second. She's called a seamstress, but I bring her all my shirts that I want her to like take down the arms, or sometimes I'll bring her pants and she'll make them like slimmer at the leg hole opening because that's such a big deal for me. But I want to show you the difference because this blue one and the tan one I'm wearing have already been like altered, and this one's new because this also is like a newer color that just came out. This one has not. So I figured I would show you the difference there. To me, it's just like night and day what slimming the armhole does. I've also done it to this white shirt. I'll show you that in a second too. So this is the one that was not altered yet. There's the sage though too. I love this color. This one obviously has been altered. To me, it just looks so much better. But some people might like it with the loose armholes. I'm not one of those people. All right, guys, now for the ratings. First up, we have fit. These are getting a 5.6 out of 6. I can't believe how good these fit me, to be completely honest. I was not expecting them to be as slim as they are. If you guys have followed my channel, you know that sometimes I even wear a small because I just prefer that slim look. These are mediums and they're still that slim. And like, if you look at the models wearing them in the videos, they don't look as slim as this. So pleasantly surprised, they fit me so well. The leg hole openings are smaller than I thought as well. So fit is spot on. I think that's a really good score for them. Moving on to comfort. These are so comfortable. They're not like really cold to the touch or anything, which normal tech pants are. They're extremely stretchy, like feel like really stretchy joggers. So when you wear these, it does not feel like you're wearing like nice pants you could potentially wear to work. It feels like you're wearing like super stretchy joggers or sweatpants. So these are getting a 3.7 out of 4 for comfort. That gives these a total of 9.3 out of 10. Super high score, but these really honestly blew me away. I'm not affiliated with BYLT, so you're getting the honest opinion from me. Trust me on that. Okay, for value, these are listed, I believe, at $118. And if I'm wrong, I will put the price on the screen. But that's pretty steep. But at the same time, these feel really, really high quality. I have Lululemon ABC pants. I think these are just as good, if not better. BYLT does have a lot of sales though, so if you guys don't want to pay the full price, I'm sure these are going to go on sale at some point, so just wait for that, I would say. But even with the full price there, I'm still giving these a value of good, just because really high quality, they look amazing, unique color. I think it's fair. I honestly think it's fair. All right, and then real quick for the cloud dye drop cuts, I'm not going to rate the fit because I've altered that, but for comfort, now comparing these to the BYLT Blend, and by the way, BYLT Blend, far superior to Luxe. I think Luxe sucks compared to BYLT Blend. Sorry for all like the Luxe fans, but it's just way softer, and like I hate the cool to the touch that the Luxe has. Anyway, if a BYLT Blend is like a 3.6 out of 4 for comfort, I love them by the way. These are like a 2.8. So yeah, not that comfortable. If you really like the tie-dye look, which I think is pretty unique, I kind of like it, I would get it. If you're going for comfort, no, Built Blend all day.
Like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy like it's been dad.